from Big D.
I can guess by the way you draw and the way you dress.
You're from Big D.
My, oh yes, honey, Big D, little A, double L A S.
And that spells Dallas, my darling, darling Dallas. So to give you pleasure to confess that you're from Big D.